How to permanently delete Viber account on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to permanently delete Viber accounts on mobile. Watch the video till the end. And without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch Viber application and make sure that you logged into your account. Navigate to More button at bottom right corner. Then you will reach on this section. Navigate to Settings and tap to open it. Now choose Account option from Settings and tap on the last option, that is Deactivate Account. Now enter the same phone number which is associated with your account and tap on Deactivate Account. A pop-up message will appear where you need to tap on Deactivate to confirm the deactivation. So, deactivating your Viber account is permanent. Once deactivated, your profile, contact list and history will be erased and you'll be removed from all the groups and communities. So, with that, you are good to go. Your Viber account will be permanently deleted. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.